Alright, so I'm gonna spawn the boss, and I'm probably gonna go and beat it up now, so I'm just gonna jump off. I was gonna go cosplay before this, just because my friend dared me to. So, yeah. Also, please ignore the noises in the background. I did the best that I could. But, well, I died and I'm not going to do that again. Oh, wait, we jumped. Oh, wait, does it flee or something? Well, I think we may win, but I'm not too sure. Note from Future Self, did not win. Anyway, now we've got it on it, and yeah, let's see how you beat it. But I keep dying until I realise why is it not yet? I think it may be, but I'm not too sure. Yeah, this is where I found out you can just throw it without having to jump on it, and they won't flee as much, which is way easier for me. So yeah, it's just easier for me. Oh, there we go. And speed it up again. Number victory for the OG. Alright. Beat them up. Doing the best that I can. Also, just while we're doing this, I use the voiceover using CapCut, because otherwise it doesn't work. Wait, is it gone? Oh, it's gone, but I don't think I won. I think it's split. Well, guess I'm just gonna walk around. Also, for any of you who actually paid attention to my avatar, it's Iron from Pokemon Scarlet, the electric type thing leader. Yeah, I thought we won, but turns out we didn't. So, yeah. Also, ignore that a little bit, I had to cut, and I've already started the voiceover. But anyway, this is where I get in the boat. People starting to have fun. Just like I thought. But then there's that rubber duck thing going crazy in the background, so. But the boat's actually started to go past, and also, I know what you're probably thinking, what game is this? And I'm pretty sure if you search up Train Ride, it will be one of the first results. Like, because I can't remember the name. I just searched up Train Ride and it came up. Oh no. My friend's dead. Gotta pull back up to get them back. Right. Yeah, we are twisting. Also, rain tacos happened while we were gone, and I kept the dynamite. The luxury train happened, so tried to bring them back, but nobody hopped off, they just died. So yeah, it's not my fault. Completely theirs. There's not really much I can say other than them hopping on and that duck's still just flying. Someone's sat on the duck now, but wait, they jumped off. Wait, no, they're back on. Well, we're heading off again while they're being crazy on that rubber duck. Get to pull back up though. just chilling, but the boat's a little tilted, so I'm not really sure, but whatever. Okay, this is where I start. Maybe it's not yet. I'm not going to spoil it there. But the boat's technically just upside down at this point. See, he jumped and he died. But people pulled it back, and I don't think that bacon's going to get back in time, sadly. So sorry, we have to abandon it. But now, the boat's twisted. It's like the Titanic. I don't know if I'm allowed to say that. But it's like the Titanic. Everything's twisted. The duck boat's still going crazy. Back to normal until it twists the other way. And yeah, thank you for watching.